Hello everyone, welcome back to AZ Network channel. In the previous video, I was talking about how to buy Theta token in the US because many of the exchanges, Coinbase and Binance Bitstamp, they are not listed Theta. So I was explaining how to buy it through simpleswap.io. So I'm gonna put this one in the link below. So you still can use it, but I seen like my subscribers, so they had a hard situation to use the simple swap. So the reason is most of them they use the phone, so which is not compatible with like 100%. So I really recommend using the simple swap using your laptop or your PC. So and still some of them they say there is no SETA anymore. Still is there. So if you see right here, yeah, you can buy setup and send it to your SETA address. So it's still available in Simple Swap. You still can use it. So the another way, so I'm gonna go through it really quick, is Gate.io. I'm gonna put this link as well in the description below, so you can go directly. In the Gate.io, it shows that the citizen of the USA, Washington State, and New York State, like prohibited entirely, so you cannot use it. So, but if you are in the US and you are in the other states like California or any other states, so you can use it. I'm in California and I'm using it. So this is my account and I'm going to show you guys that um, here is my font. I just use it this one so to buy it for and try it before you guys try it. So I tried and it's really successful. You see right here my available balance is 45 SETA, and you can trade it or you can send it to anywhere you want. You can sell it, you can buy more, and you can buy T fuel if you want to buy T fuel. So and if you go to coin market cap, sorry, okay, if you go to coin market cap and go to Theta and then go to the market that shows the places that you can buy it. So Gate.io is a highly recommended and highly confidence. So it's a good place to buy SETA. So you can buy it in there. So just create an account and make sure you are not in New York and Washington. So you can go ahead and buy your Theta, and it will be much easier, I believe, than send it your Theta to SimpleSwap and through SimpleSwap. But for those that are in the Washington State or in New York, so you still can use simpleswap.io. So it's really successful. And for those one that they say it is not working, so it's working. So I can show you that the people are if they are buying through my affiliate program from my link, so here it is. So you can see it's finished and it was successfully they are buying SETA. So it's working, and this is the today is March 11, 2021, so it still is working. So you don't need to worry that it's not working. Just don't use your phone. I really recommend using your PC. All right, but that's it, guys. So just to support my channel, subscribe my channel, and like my videos, so to make more videos. Thank you so much.